1008, One Piece.
Hmm.
What do you think about the chapter?
Chapter was good, but overall it was expected.
It was expected, but you were saying the previous chapter that it is not
Yes, I
Oden.
did, but
It is Oden, or and
what Oda
Oden
did,
came out.
but dude,
Uh,
what Oda did was kind of anticlimactic. I expected something more.
no, it's not. No, it's not anticlimactic. It is
I know,
as expected.
I know that,
I told you. I
dude.
told you that Oda wouldn't go that route of that complex time traveling stuff and all that. It
I
will
know
keep
it's
it
my fault
simple.
that I know it's my fault that I was the one who was theorizing and all that stuff. But still, okay, I
Yeah,
get
him
that.
and Umang. You and Umang. Umang Nandu, both of you. Huh? Where is he? Is he AFK?
Yes, I think so. Yes, overall, Oda did the same thing, right? Kanjuro died and is not dead now. He did the same thing
He
with
was.
Pell.
I mean, why? How the hell can't nine scabbards, right?
Hmm.
Nine, eight. Let eight out.
Hmm.
Eight of them, right?
Hmm.
They can't even kill one person
Hmm.
at a time. How did they expect to kill Kaido?
Hmm.
Like just how?
Also, talking about Kaido is hybrid from.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but yeah, man, I knew it. Like
Hmm.
it's definitely him because Oda doesn't do that all that
Hmm.
complex time traveling stuff, and then it would be a completely different series, and most people would prefer this
Hmm.
over some complex time traveling stuff because if it really was Odin, it would have been a horrible story because all of Luffy's motivation to fight Kaido in the first place came
Hmm.
from the fact that he killed Odin and then terrorized Wano and
Hmm.
made all that factories and ruled over it for 20 plus years. I
But
mean, if
dude,
Odin
even
was
if this was not Oden,
No, Luffy. No, does Luffy know about Odin? How does he know about Odin?
he knew
What?
everything
Remember,
about Oden.
He
you
just.
remember he does know about Odin. Remember in Zou when Kinemon asked Luffy to help him to fight Kaido.
Hmm.
So Luffy asked him why do you want to fight Kaido? So he told him that Kaido killed Odin and Odin was executed in Wano as a criminal because Odin also went with the king of the pirates with Raftel and knew the
Hmm.
history of the world and everything. So Kaido wanted to know that. So Kaido killed him and framed him as a criminal, and that's why Luffy was so pissed. And
Yeah.
that's why he want. You remember when in Zou when Momonosuke
Hmm.
was crying and Kinemon was asking for help from Luffy, and Luffy told them no, and told Momonosuke to help
Hmm.
to ask him because he
Hmm.
is their lord, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
when Luffy knew
yeah, I agree
that
with you.
he
But the
needs to
main
fight
thing is
Kaido
the reason why Luffy wanted to defeat Kaido is because of the alliance, right? His alliance with Law. They made a plan to
because
defeat
of
Kaido.
law.
Yes,
Initially, he just wants to take out all the
it's almost
emperors one by
seventy
one.
percent. It's almost 70% alliance reason. The rest 30% is Oden.
Yes, 30, because Oda always likes to do this, right? Because he needs to give the character some personal motivation also
Hmm.
to fight Kaido. He
Bring in
just
some
can't go
emotion and
and
shit.
fight. Yeah, because he just can't go and fight Kaido because he wants to.
Hmm.
He's always
There's
going
gotta be a
to
reason.
yeah get some emotions behind him. So the last punch hits a bit harder, so
Hmm.
Kaido falls down. It's typical shonen. That's how it works. And also, not at all surprised at him being alive. What's his fucking name?
So, dude, in the
What?
previous chapter, in this chapter, did Oden die because of the explosion, or is he still alive? He's probably dead, isn't it?
Who? Oden?
Oden, yes. Are that?
Kanjuro, not Oden.
Are not Kanjuro? He's drawing. Kanjuro drew him.
Yeah, that's a drawing, but
Yes. So, did
wouldn't
the drawing dry?
no, but wouldn't Kanjuro be also injured if he injured one of his drawing? Does it work like that?
No, I don't think so. Because man, what's his name? What was his name? That Zou dragon,
Yeah,
Kyonosuke.
it died.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
died
I don't
and nothing
remember.
happened to Kanjiro, right?
Yes, yeah, nothing happened to him. Yeah, you're right. So yeah, no, I don't think Ashura Doji is dead. Ashura Doji cannot be dead because
Kanjuro,
no,
again, in my opinion,
Oda
Kanjuro
just
is yeah,
does not
Kanjuro, in
kill
my
people.
opinion, is just heavily injured, but he's not dead. And I think it would be easy to kill him in the next few chapters.
Yeah, the scabbards they
They will take
better
revenge,
kill.
right? Because Kinemon is angry.
Yeah, they better kill him after this. If they don't kill him after this, I mean,
That panel
it's
of
going to be
Kinemon.
such. It's going to be bad. Yeah,
Hmm.
is
Yeah,
going to be bad.
exactly.
Hmm.
Like
Mhm.
like 8 people cannot kill him combined.
Hmm.
Like what? Are you kidding me?
But that
No,
is the
but
thing, right?
no, but
Kan-
no, but it
Kanjuro.
is possible, na? Ki, like they don't want to kill him because they have been together for so many years. So
No, I
there
don't.
can be some affection or something. I
No,
don't
no, no,
know.
no, no. Here's the
Uh,
reason. Kanjuro knows everything about Odin. Kanjuro knows everything about the nine Scrabbers, right? Their weaknesses, their powers, and that is the reason why he's still alive. He's smart.
what does it have anything to do with 8 of them not killing him?
No, that's not the point. The point is he knows everything about Kinemon. He knows everything about Momonosuke. He knows everything about Inuarashi and Nekomushi. So that is the
Yeah,
reason
he
why.
knows.
Yeah, he knows everything, right? And that is the reason why he knows how their mind works. And that is the reason why he's not dead yet.
No, that's not the reason why he's
This whole
not
Odin
dead yet.
stuff was a mind game, right? To play with their minds.
He can play with their emotions. The point is not that. The point is
Hmm.
that 8 of them, Kiku first started fighting him.
Yes.
Kiku, if you remember, right?
Hmm.
Many chapters ago, Kiku first started fighting him, and then we didn't get to see the fight at all.
Hmm.
And then at the end of the fight, we only saw her cry,
Hmm.
and then they leave. So we all everyone assumed that they killed Kanjuro. That's why she was crying.
But
And
that
then
is the
when
thing,
they
right?
left,
Kanjuro is an actor. He probably faked his own death. That could have been
definitely, yeah.
possible, right? That could be reason why Kiko is crying because Kanjuro
Or
faked his
they,
death and
Yeah,
Kiko is feeling
or
bad about it.
no, or it is even possible that Kanjuro drew himself, and
no, no, no,
he's somewhere else right now.
Hmm.
no. I
Like
don't think so.
in the battle, but not present himself. Like
I think that
somewhere far and safe.
yeah, I think that the Scabbards just didn't kill him because uh, they, they just felt something about him because they just couldn't believe that Kanjuro was a traitor, and
Hmm.
they let their emotions take over them,
Hmm.
and they didn't kill him, and now it's coming back to bite them in their asses, and now
Hmm.
they will kill him. Now they better kill him.
No, Kinemon will kill him, right? Because he's so angry about it.
Yeah, has to kill. Kinemon has to kill someone. Yeah, he has to. He also has to kill Orochi, someone else who is
Hmm.
alive.
Yeah,
Like,
Orochi is still alive. Damn.
like what? Kaido
That should have
literally
been
cut his
expected.
chopped
But
his
dude, he's in
entire head
Hydra,
off.
right? He's in Hydra. And that is the lore. Hydras have 3 heads, so they technically have 3 lives.
3, but he has multiple heads. He doesn't only have
Yeah,
3
that is
heads.
the point. That is the lore. If you cut
Yeah.
him one head, he will still be alive.
So what? So how do you kill him? You need to split him
Just
in two.
stabbing, I don't know,
Something
stabbing in
from the
his.
middle.
Yes, that is the point. Stab him in his heart or something.
I think Momonosuke will kill him. Momonosuke or Hiyori. I think Hiyori will kill him.
Hmm. We still don't know about what was the name. That silhouette. Do you still think it's Toki?
Yeah, it is Toki. I think it's Toki. Then
Hmm.
for sure, I think 95% I'm sure that it was Toki. And
Okay.
also, did you enjoy the Kaido hybrid form?
Yeah, it was okay. It was nice.
It was mid.
It was not bad
really
at all.
mid. But
He looks
it
a
was,
little bit
yeah,
weird, according to me, at least in my opinion. But yeah, it's still good.
it's mid. It's mid. But that can also be because of the fact that we are not seeing him up
Hmm.
close, right?
Hmm.
We are seeing him from a distance, so that could also play a part in it. But Drake,
Yeah.
but page one
No,
is
yeah, we have just seen his face and yeah, we have not seen his body and whole.
yeah, but even still, this is the first time we are seeing him. Like
Hmm.
he has to look a bit
Yeah.
intimidating. He doesn't look too different. He just grew his horns a bit,
Hmm.
and that's it. And so
A
few
little bit of
scales over
scallops
his
over
arms.
there, right? That's it.
Yeah, that's it. I mean,
Yeah.
page
No,
one.
according to me, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Continue.
Go ahead.
No, continue.
Page one had a better.
No, I
hybrid.
was saying just to बोल रहे भाई बोल.
Hello.
His
Bold.
defensive power will be as strong as the other time as he's a dragon, and his offensive power will be like his normal. It is, I guess it will be really strong.
Yeah, that is the point of the hybrid form. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm not saying that he's weak.
No,
Don't get me
even
wrong.
if
He's
dude,
not at all weak.
Mhm.
even if
He's
Kaido
not
is
at
Yeah,
all
he
buffed as
has
weak.
to
fuck,
be.
he's still agile.
Yeah, I'm not saying he's weak. I'm just saying
Hmm.
that it looks. I mean, I just had a bit more
Yeah.
expectation.
Hmm.
That's it. I mean,
Mhm.
He
I
looks
had
okay.
I
It's like a
had
7
some.
out of 10 or something.
Yeah, 6.5. I would give it a
Yeah.
6.5. Page one is a
No,
better one,
I'll.
man. Page one is
8.5
a
just
better
because
Yeah.
one.
it's soda.
Yeah, but they were talking about Law was talking about splitting them two up, Kaido and
Hmm.
Big Mom, and Zoro also agrees. So how do you think they are going to split them up? I mean, they are together right now. How do you split two Yonkos? Do you think that they are going to fight in
I don't
3v1s?
know, man. Another kick, maybe.
3v1s, I would say that Kid, Killer,
Hmm.
and maybe Law. Kid, Killer, and Law, they fight Big Mom,
Hmm.
and Zoro, Luffy, and Yamato can fight Kaido if Yamato wants to join, because Yamato wants to fight Kaido. She
Hmm.
doesn't want to just roam around. She wants to fight Kaido, so that can happen. Or if Sanji makes it to the rooftop, the monster trio can fight Kaido,
Hmm.
and then Kid, Law, and Killer can fight Big Mom, because
Hmm.
they are going to split them up. So they are going to be two groups fighting each Yonko. So how do you think that's going to play?
Yeah, I think the first division commander
Yeah,
will
it is.
fight Big Mom, and the rest
Yeah,
will
it
fight
is
Kaido.
possible.
Huh? How much?
Yeah, they have to split up, and I guess I'll go with your theory. Like, this is how they're going to
Yeah, because
split up:
no,
Sanji or Yamato, be
yeah,
it
either
anyone.
Sanji or Yamato. It could
Yeah,
be any one of them. And Marco better fight King, man. Marco better fight King.
of
I would
He's
say
still
course
that.
they
fighting him.
have to.
He's not done with
Yeah,
him
I
by
mean,
any means.
yeah,
No,
He's still fighting Queen and
no,
King,
but
right?
if Sanji comes up, no, if
Hmm.
Sanji comes up, who's going to defeat Queen?
Chopper
Like,
is fighting Queen, right?
Sanji,
I think that
but
Queen is going to
Hmm.
win against Chopper,
Hmm.
and then Sanji is
of
going to
course
take.
he,
Yeah, and then Sanji is going to
yeah,
take over that fight, just
yeah,
like
and then
Ennis Lobby.
yeah, exactly. Of course, Chopper will do some great damage,
Hmm.
but I don't think he can ever defeat a commander. Even in his monster point. Like
Yeah,
one of the one
His
like of
monster
course
point,
Sanji has to come to save Chopper.
his
yeah, I
monster
think
But
point will only
uh,
last long
but
for a
yeah,
few minutes, and then it's done, and then he's done.
no, but like he'll really give a great damage to
He will
like
severely damage
Queen.
him. That's what he meant to say.
yeah, and then Sanji will
Yeah,
fight a nerfed Queen.
yeah.
Yeah, and that way it can make sense that
But
he
then,
replaces
but
division.
then, but even though I don't think Sanji will come, up to the what we say head
Rooftop,
to fight Kaido. Yeah,
Hmm.
rooftop to fight
rooftop.
Kaido. I don't think so. I
Yeah,
guess
because
it
Sanji,
should be Yamato. I guess it should be Yamato.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
Because for Sanji to fight Kaido, right? He needs to have some kind of an ability to damage Kaido or Big Mom.
Hmm.
Killer had that sound ability to
Hmm.
damage
Hmm.
Kaido. That's
Sound
why he's
waves.
on the rooftop, right? And Law can damage Kaido. I mean, he's going to damage Kaido at some point. Kid is the only one that possibly
Who
can't
can't?
damage Kaido right now. But I think he's going to
But he
change. He will,
can.
yeah, he will damage He will damage Kaido quite a bit, I think.
No,
So
but no,
Sanji,
but kid can no, but kid can damage Big Mom, right? So yeah, like he's really strong if we see
Kid
in
can
different
damage Big
aspects.
Mom. Who? Let me ask you this:
Hmm.
Who amongst the people who are on the rooftop right now
Uh,
fighting Kaido and Big Mom have already damaged Big Mom in the past?
No one.
No one, not even Luffy.
Yeah,
Big Mom has.
Luffy can't. Yeah,
Big Mom,
couldn't
yeah.
even. Yeah.
So I think Big Mom is just as much of a tank as Kaido is, because
Yeah.
she hasn't been even touched yet.
but dude, here's the thing.
No, even yeah, even
In the Whole
Scar.
Cake Island, Luffy was constantly fighting Big Mom, and Sanji refuses to hit any women, isn't it?
Yeah, but
But now-
Big Mom is a different
But
case.
now
I
that
mean,
dude,
she's
but now that killer Zoro and everyone else is here, it's possible that Big Mom can be defeated.
Big Mom can be.
Yeah,
defeated.
but who's gonna defeat Kaido? If
Yeah, I'm not saying
like
that.
everyone, no, if it was like any one of the Yonko was present right now, of course they'll be down for sure. But being two right now, it's really dicey. Like yeah, or
Because
of course the
Momonosuke
betrayal,
also,
of course the betrayal theory works.
yeah, that betrayal, yeah, it might come into the play. Because
I don't-
I don't think that Sanji can damage Kaido or Big Mom in neither one of those guys. I don't think Sanji can damage them. That's why I don't think Sanji will ever be on the rooftop fighting against these two. I think Sanji will definitely fight Queen at some point, and Chopper will get defeated. And Chopper already did his thing. And he got his shine this arc. He made that vaccine and cured everyone.
Saved
I mean,
everyone
he
else and
doesn't
all
need
that
to
stuff.
get, yeah, he doesn't need to get any more shine. Sanji needs to get the shine. He will defeat Queen, and that's how it goes. And Momonosuke, this chapter was also talking about using his dragon powers more efficiently, so he can be more helpful to the alliance. So, do you think that Momonosuke will help in stopping Onigashima from falling on Wano? Because Yamato also told him about the dragon flames that the dragons use to fly. So Momonosuke might use them to stop Onigashima from falling down.
I was thinking about, in that case, I was thinking about Law can do it, isn't it? Because Law can make this big ass room and then save everyone else.
Law, but I don't think Law will do that. I don't think Law Law
This same
He
thing
was-
happened in Punk Hazard, right? When he shifts,
what-
when he flips that shit upside down.
yeah, that's a ship, and this is Onigashima, and we all know how big this is. I mean, this is nothing. We haven't seen anything this big.
It's difficult to
compared
predict
to-
who will save
Yeah.
Wano at this
It is-
point.
it-
Probably
it is
Momonosuke,
almost-
but
Yeah,
yeah,
it is.
it's difficult.
That island is at least as big as Dressrosa, if not bigger. I would say it's bigger, but it is at least that big. So I don't know that if Law can save that. I think Momonosuke. I think
No, of course Law can't levitate things, because of course like he's fighting Yonko. So do you think he's gonna waste not waste, but
Yeah, that's what
do
I'm
you
saying.
think
He-
he'll have
Dude, I think-
reserves for doing this?
Dude, Kaido
Yeah, I
is the
think
reason
who-
why Onigashima is flying over Wano. And I think if Kaido is defeated, then Onigashima will fall down. If he's still alive, then there's no way it's going to fall, because
no, he is planning to.
he's planning to do that. But as
drop-
long as he's alive, it's still there. It's constant.
But
Yeah, like Kaido shouldn't be down, or Onigashima will be down on Wano.
someone
Like,
else
he's
who can
alive.
also-
Hmm.
who can also lift that entire island up in the sky is Fujitora. I'm just saying.
But like
can be possible, but-
no.
I'm
I
just
don't
saying
know.
if Fujitora comes to Wano, he can stop this
Wait,
easily.
a few
But
chapters ago,
no,
I think.
but Marines aren't involved in Wano, so like and of course he has things to do.
No, they are involved in Wano. What are you talking about? Who is Drake?
It is CP0,
Drake.
and no,
Drake is.
but
a
it isn't
co-organizer.
confirmed. No, but it isn't confirmed that the Fujitora is one of the swords. It is
I'm
not
saying-
yet
I'm not saying they're
confirmed.
involved. I'm only saying that the Marines are definitely involved in Wano.
They are
Because
involved,
Drake is a
but they
sword
don't want to
member.
mess around in Wano.
Yeah, like
Because this is One Piece.
They are just like
Every
spectating.
arc-
They are not doing anything. They are
every-
just spectating.
Every arc in One Piece, there are Marines involved, no matter how big or small the arc is. You can check in each and every arc, except for Sky PR.
What about
There
Zoro?
are Marines in every arc. So it wasn't a main arc. This is Wano. Look at Dressrosa. Look at fucking Alabasta. Alabasta Smoker was there. Dressrosa and a fucking Admiral Fujitora was present. And this is Wano. Dressrosa, we were only taking down a
What about
warlord.
Baratie?
Baratie? I'm telling you, these aren't main arcs. These are side arcs.
Okay.
What are you talking? Punk Hazard. Smoker was
Fishman.
there. Fishman
Fishman.
Island. The Marines don't come to Fishman Island. They generally don't come to Fishman Island. When did they ever go
God
to
did,
Fishman
God
Island?
did, God did.
Yeah, just to escort. He was just escorting. He wasn't there to do some things. I'm just saying that this is a big arc. This is one of the main events in the world. So the Navy is definitely going to get involved. And also in 957 we saw Akainu and Sengoku talk about Wano. So that could be a foreshadowing. I mean,
No,
1000%
but
they are going to come to Wano. 1000%.
no, no, but of course, they'll think that pirates are just fighting among themselves, and like one of
Huh? Hello.
He's cutting off.
hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
So I was saying like of course pirates are एक minute रुक भाई इसको जाने दे. I was saying कि pirates are just fighting among themselves, and it is just benefit for the marines that they have to take less care of the pirates, and of course it is the worst generation. So if anything happens to them, Marines don't even care. So why do you think they'll come there? And okay, after like post Wano, I can see them coming, but not in the middle of the fight. Interfering in the fight. I
No,
don't see them interfering, but coming them post fight.
dude, Marines
Not
can
pre
interfere.
or
Do you
Dude,
remember?
during.
Do you remember? Wait a
Marines
minute.
can
Do you
interfere
remember?
after someone is defeated.
No, like Marines will take action. I'm not like, of course they have to, but I guess it will be post one.
But they have
Like
already.
like when everything's ending.
That's what
Just
I,
to like
dude.
You're
That's
not
what I'm
cherry
getting
on
saying.
what
the
I'm.
pop.
That's what
You're
I'm
not
saying.
getting what
Cherry, like
I'm saying.
it's just no, it's just cherry on the cake, I guess. Like,
Listen. I'm saying that the Marines are already involved in Wano because Drake is a Marine. He's already in Wano.
Hmm.
The Marines have already taken action. Drake
Hmm.
being present there is the proof of that. I'm just saying that Drake is going to call reinforcements in Wano once Kaido or Big Mom, one of them, have been defeated. I'm just saying
So
that.
if Drake is fighting alongside pirates,
He's going to do some significant shit because he's setting up some big things for Momonosuke. Every other chapter, Momonosuke gets some really good dialogues regarding how the dragon's flame work and how he's a useless brat and how he's a burden on them. So I think this is going to be a big thing for Momonosuke.
hello.
The hybrid Kaido could have been better, but who knows? There might be stages to his hybrid form. This is the first stage, then the second stage or third stage, maybe. Who knows? That would be really cool. That would be really cool. Other than that, how do you rate this chapter? I mean, what do you want to see in the next one?
This chapter was a
I'll give it about 8. I'll give it a 8 or something.
This chapter was a strong
Around 8.
7.5 because I don't know, man. My theory got proved wrong. That's why. But yeah, it's a strong 7.5 or 8.5, something like that.
Because your theory was stupid as fuck in the first place. You both of them.
Not this one. Also the D1 ones, right?
How the hell is Oden alive, man? I mean, the Kanjuro is literally right there. It's his drawing.
No, but
not that one.
but we did say it can be counted.
No,
But
not that
I
one.
did say, like we did say.
No,
Yeah,
not,
you did.
I'm not talking about
Yeah,
that
you did.
Oden was alive. The D1 one, the Blackbeard one. That could have been a good one.
Yeah,
But yeah, okay.
No,
I get it.
no,
This is a good chapter.
the Devon one, even I thought for a second, yeah, it could be Devon. It very well could have been Devon. And it would have been amazing. Blackbeard. All I want is Blackbeard in Wano. That's all I want. I would be very happy.
But still, this was a good chapter. A strong 8 out of 10. Other than that, I want to see more of Kaido in the next chapter.
Yeah, of course. I guess we'll get Kaido in the next chapter.
Now that he's revealed, now that
Right,
we've got what
because-
he look like.
Yeah, it has been revealed. So yeah.
Yeah, I hope so because we are seeing Inora Rashi get his matchup with Jack, but we still haven't seen Sanjay get his fucking matchup. Like what? Like just show us who's Sanjay going to fight, man. Like when?
Let's just hope for a best then.
Yeah,
Soon.
hope so. Yeah, other than that.
Yeah, no, like he has to fight Queen also. Yeah, he has to fight Queen, not someone else. He has
Because
to
Jack
fight
is fighting the dog right now. Jack will
Yeah.
fight the dog. King will fight Marco. So Queen will fight Sanji.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it. Yamato is not fighting anyone. I think Yamato might. Yeah, Yamato will fight Kaido at some point. I think so. She has to.